Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Theory, and today I am going to teach you class 10th mathematics of chapter coordinate geometry. Just before I start this chapter, I want to recall the topic related concept. In our earlier classes, that is in class 9, we have already studied about the concept of the coordinate geometry. That is, there are 4 quadrants in a plane. Suppose this is x, y, and y. In plane, if we choose any point, we can find the coordinate. That is how we can find. We should have to draw the perpendicular line on x and y axis. Suppose it is point P. So for the point P, if I want to know the coordinate, we draw a perpendicular line on the x-axis. Suppose it is intersecting at Q, and another, you draw another perpendicular line on y-axis. Suppose it is intersecting at R. So the distance OQ is the x coordinate. Suppose it is distance x, and this distance, that is OR, suppose it is y. So point P has the coordinate x and y. So these coordinates are specific. You know that it is a distance, and in any plane, in our earlier classes we have already studied about this one. It is divided into 4 parts, 4 quadrants. This is 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. In x-axis, the distance is positive, and that is, if we can consider in the 4th quadrant, it should be negative. So its coordinate will be positive and negative in sign. In 1st quadrant, both will be positive. In 3rd quadrant, it is very clear, x is negative, y is positive. In 4th quadrant, you can see x is negative and y is also negative. So these are the conventions of the sign when we are obtaining the coordinates in a plane by drawing the xy coordinate. So that is, this is the previous conceptual knowledge of this chapter. Another one also I want to revise, that is, draw graph of linear equation in 2 variables. We have already studied about this one. That is, we consider 2 equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. On such conditions, the 2 equations will be obtained, and by obtaining these 2 equations, we can draw the graph, and it will decide that graph is intersecting, graph is on side, or graph is parallel to each other. In our before this chapter, already we have learned about this one. So these are the two basic concepts. By this one, knowing this one, we will extract the actually TLO, target learning outcomes of this chapter. First is the distance formula and second is the section formula. These are the two learning outcomes. Friends, I want to convey in message that in previous syllabus the more part, more topic was given, but for the session 2020 and 21 it has been reduced. So only two parts you will see for the examination purpose. Only the distance formula and second one is the section formula. So friends, just you see one by one. First is the distance formula. What do you mean distance formula? Distance formula is nothing, only these are the concept based things. Suppose in any line, suppose it is P and this is P. So it is very clear that obviously its coordinate will be given, which is suppose it is x2 and 2, and these coordinates can be obtained by drawing the perpendicular lines in xy coordinates. So for this one we will use very simple, that is PQ can be obtained by applying the formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Suppose one application, based on that one I want to discuss that how we can solve the questions that you should have to find the distance of 2 points and its distance can be you can find it very easily by applying this distance formula. So suppose there are 2 points, it is R and S, its coordinate is 2 3 and its coordinate is 4 1. So how we can find the distance of RS? RS can be obtained by using this formula x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 2 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is y minus 3 square. So by obtaining this one we can write 2 square plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 square. So we can obtain this is under root 4 plus 2 to the 4, because a square of the negative will be changed into positive. So under root 8, and this can be written as 2 under root 2. That will be the 2 under root 2 units, and that RS can be obtained by this formula. Students, by applying this formula I think you can solve the questions very easily. This is given in the NCERT book, that is in the exercises several questions has been given related with this formula. Now you can see the section formula. In section formula, you have to learn about the internal division on 2 points of any line segments. Suppose you think suppose it is M, or we can write the M1, M2. Its coordinate is x1, y1, and its coordinate is x2, y2. This is point P, point Q, and this is point R. Suppose its coordinate is xy. How we can find the coordinate of point R? By knowing the internal division of the ratios of a line segment, which is divided internally of a point of any line segment. So what we will do, it is very easy, that coordinate at point R, that is, there are two coordinates. First, I want to know this x coordinates. So x coordinates can be obtained by, you do like formula this one, these ratios multiplied into this coordinate. So m2 into x2 plus, you can write m1 x1, and that should be divided by m1 plus m2. And at point y coordinate can be obtained like same, m2 into, suppose it is m2, so another is x2 plus m1 into y1 by m1 plus m2. So these are the coordinates of point R. Very easily, in another way also you can write that these sections into this coordinate, first section will be taken, that is ratios, first ratios multiplied by the second coordinate. Either you can take the first coordinate, second coordinate, or second coordinate, first coordinate. It is not any problem. It may be a change as per our desire, as per our hypothesis. So it is not any, generally in general concepts we are, suppose it is x1 y1, generally we take here m1, and it is y2, we take here m2 in general concept. So for this one, if I am writing here m1, what I can write here, m1 into x2 and m2 into x1. Next, like this one, first what you will do, m1 into y2 and m1 into y2, m2 into y1 divided m1 plus m2. It is not any problem. You can take any the first part. Either you can start from here or you can start from here. That is either or. Here are the options of you. You can start from this one. So that will be the m1, and next one will be the m2. Its coordinate will be x1 y1 and its coordinate will be x2 y2. So very easily we can find this one, that is coordinate of r. X coordinate of r can be found by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and in second one also we can find the coordinate of y at point r, that is m1 into y2. It is not essential to write, either you can write or not write. You cannot write also. That will be the sign of the multiplication, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided m1 plus m2. One question you think for this one. A line PQ is divided internally in the ratios 2:3, and coordinate of P and Q are 4, 3 and 5, 2. Find the coordinate of point R where they divided. So it is line segment PQ is divided internally at point R. Variously, P has 4, 3 and Q has 5, 2. 4, 3 and 5, 2. That is, you can draw like this one: P, Q, 4, 3, 5, 2. Suppose it is point R and its ratio is 2:3. So you have to find the coordinate of point R where they divided internally. But you can do this one. You see the formula. So R of x coordinate can be found, that is m1 x2 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 divided 2 plus 3. So 10 plus 12 divided 5. It can be obtained 22/5. So R, that is y coordinate at point R, can be also write like this one, is 2 into 2, that is m1 y2 plus m2 into y1 the whole divided 2 plus 3. So this is 4 plus 9 divided 5, 13 by 5. So coordinate of point AR is equal to 22 by 5 and 13 by 5. This is the answer. So very easily we can solve the questions this has given in the NCERT book. And students, it is my kind expectations that you start to solve the questions, and you feel any kind of the difficulty and doubts, you convey your ideas, views. Students, if my videos benefited to you, it looks like it is good for you, you like it, subscribe the channel, and any kind of the queries, any kind of the views, please share to me. Thank you.